In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install VirtualBox on Windows PC. First, we have to download the VirtualBox. Open the browser and type download VirtualBox. Even you are getting multiple link, only choose virtualbox.org. Or, you can directly type the website to virtualbox.org. Then press the download button from left side. The latest version will be on the top. If you want use old version you can get from below. Each version you can see the edition for the Windows hosts. Press that link. It will start the download. Once after finishing the download you can simply press the download file or you can run directly from the downloaded location. Once after it will ask permission to install the app, press yes. The installation will start. You need to press next button to continuing the installation. Then select the component you want to install. If you want to change the location, this will be the option to change the installation path from location browse button. Press next. You will get the option for customizing the shortcut. I just press next. There will a network reset while on installation. We need to confirm that after press yes. The installation has been started. Here I am using fast forwarding so it will be fast. In description download link available for VirtualHost. Now the installation has been finished. If you select the start option, check. It will load the program once you press finish button. Make sure the BIOS of the system, you have enabled the virtualization for using VirtualBox. Else the system will get the 0x80004005 error code, so make sure you are enabled virtualization settings. If you are not enabled VTX or AMDV, you will get only the option to install 32-bit operating system. Now the installation has been finished. Now we are going to create VirtualHost. Press new button, then put the name of VM. Select the location you want to save the virtual machine. Then select the type of the OS and version of the OS. Then press the next button. Select the memory size, then next. Select the virtual disk if you have already, or you can create new. I am creating new. Press create button. Then select the disk file type, then press next. Then select the disk usage option in physical disk. Use the dynamic option for auto allocation of the HDD, then press next. Select the disk size, then press create button. Now, we have finished the VirtualBox installation and host creation. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share, and subscribe.